Welcome to Betty, Budgie, and Oriles' amazing wedding. Here comes the bride, all dressed in white. Here comes the bride. Wait. Dun 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 dun. Here comes the bride, all dressed in white. Here comes the bride to the groom. We are gathered here today for the joining of Betty Budgie and Oreo. Who does not feel this marriage is right? Please speak now or forever hold your peace. As we move on, the vows shall begin. I, Betty, will love Oreo the Oriole forever and ever. I, Betty, will love Oreo forever and ever. I, Oreo, will love Betty forever and ever. I, Oreo, will love Betty forever and ever. Speak up now if you do not want them joined. Ring bearer, please come with the rings, sir. Dun 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 dun. Put your rings on, please. You may now, by the powers vested in me, you may now kiss the bride.
Hold the camera.
Bum bum bum, bum bum ba-dum. I'll leave in peace and come back very soon. Wait. Alleluia. Alleluia.
Honey, I'm home.
Oh, hi, sweetie.
I sold 3 trees today.
That's amazing. Kids, your father's home. Daddy! Hi, Dad.
Hello, girls.
Dad?
Yep, it's me. Hey. Come here, my little girl. Papa!
Guess what your son did today?
What did he do?
He played a prank on his teacher.
What? That's my boy.
How do you like that about him? That's immoral and disgusting. He almost got thrown out of school for it. I had to pick him up early.
Here's the man of the hour.
Well, I aced my test.
That's a good thing. Very good thing.
Next time it happened, he's getting expelled from school.
Fine. Next time he does it, he gets expelled. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Son, I don't want you to get expelled. And I don't want you to get really caught. But good work with the pencil thing.
Don't you mean push pins?
Oh, yes. Sorry, push pins. I'll teach you how to do something to the teacher's pencil. All you gotta do is put needles in the back of his eraser, and when he tries to erase something with his pencil, it'll make scratch marks on his paper.
Honey, you are not teaching that to our son.
Yes, I am. Nobody can stop me.
You don't spend enough time with your daughters anyway.
I put him in his room. I did not teach it to him yet.
Why don't you and your son just leave?
Why? We're gonna take the girls out for ice cream.
Well, they don't want ice cream. They want quality time with their father.
That's what it is. Taking them out and quality time at the park with them.
But that's not what they would want. They want you to be so much more proud of them. And
I am proud of them.
You're more proud of your son.
Did you say you aced your test?
Maybe.
That is very good work, sweetheart. I am very proud of you. I can still see you.
I won't care. You never are here to watch us and see what we do. We cooked dinner for you.
I'm very proud of you.
We made your favorite, baked ziti.
Thank you. I will eat that.
But you're never here. You're always out with our brother.
Well, he was born last. You know that.
Honey,
Which means he's the smallest and he needs extra care.
I don't care what of any of your excuses, but if you love your son that much, leave with him. Go ahead.
But I want to spend time with my daughters.
Hubbub, this is my house. You will get out of it, now.
Goodbye, daughters.
Bye, Dad.
I will miss you all. Come on, my son. Let's go.
Bring his room with you. Oops.
Goodbye, daughters.
Bye. Take your hat with you. And send me half of your money for child support.